Alright y'all, good evening. Let's make a video of a review of a vehicle. This is a nice one. This is a 97 Wrangler. You can see it's got a custom bumper, got some custom lift on it, got fog lights. Have to love the fog lights, one on either side. Let's go take a look at the back of it. This is just fresh back from the detail shop. Has the lights up here too, that's pretty cool. Has some custom mirrors on it. You can have a look at the back. It's got a canvas top, no windows. Shoot a video here of the back. The back looks really good too. Well, they used to have speakers on these poles right here, but this one does not have that particular feature. Let's look down here and see what it has. It's very open, very small back seat there with seat belts. Doesn't appear to have back speakers at all as I'm looking down in here. Let's open her up. As you can see, the little doors here. Not much of a door.
Phillies beat the Braves. 10. Viewfinder.
Oh, the Phillies beat the Braves. It's a little high up here with this non-standard lift. There's a 5-speed manual. You can see the manual there. This has some kind of high-end custom CD system in it. Let's see if we can. No buzzer whatsoever. Let's see if this even works. I don't think so. Doesn't look. Doesn't appear to work. This is sitting there basically, I guess. Hear no sound from the radio. Give it a quick start up of this thing. Put a foot on the brake and the clutch. Man, as you can see, it's starting to dry it up. Sounds pretty good. Alright, now that I've been able to practice that, that's my review for the vehicle. That faceplate kind of comes off, but we can stick it back on right quick. It's hard to do this mess one-handed, but we got it. Nice looking Jeep there. Just cut the key back here and alright, that's the Jeep. That's the deal with it.